Let me check the girls. Annabelle's still there. Mocha's still there, but now Mocha's are a little bit harder than Annabelle. Can you see how this part is getting straighter? Look. Okay, well, I read that that happens and when it's completely straight, which is almost completely straight, then that's the room that they're making for the baby to pass through there. Okay? Let me check once again. And they're here. They don't mind checking them like 100 times a day. They're kind of, I guess they're kind of curious. That, you know, of why I'm here so much. You know, they see me around all the time. Mocha doesn't like me touching her udder. We're gonna have to train her for that. See, little by little I go and touch a little bit more, and I continue to pet her a little bit more. And that's how I did it with Annabelle. But see, now if I keep my hand there, she'll move. But I'm trying to teach her that it's okay. It's okay. As much as I check their ligaments, I check their udders, and it's okay. It's okay. It's okay, Mommy. It's okay. Ooh, good udder you have there. Yes, yes you do. Hello everyone. Today is day 145, July 30th, and the due date for Mocha and Annabelle. I am feeling a little bit better and sounding a lot better, I think, than yesterday. I've been checking on them every 3 hours still. Checking overnight because, you know, apparently goats like to fool you. I thought that I couldn't feel any ligaments last night, and I'm pretty sure that, they were not there, and now I checked throughout the night a couple of times and nothing. No ligaments. Now this morning I checked them again, and this time, well, I checked both girls, but they were back, and I was for sure thinking that she was gonna have the babies today, but apparently not. Right now I haven't checked for babies, but I checked this morning and they were kicking. The baby side is still not hard that I can't feel them, so I'm guessing I have no babies still in the area where they should go to be born. They are still eating and they're still okay. I've noticed today that Annabelle has been kind of separating herself a little bit, not too much, so it's not like she's pulling away or like she's staying by herself, but she is definitely more social, and she's a little bit more attached to her sister Mocha, and not today. Anyways, I've been obsessing over goat butts and vulvas and udders, and I've been kind of touching everything and trying to make sure that nobody's in labor. I'm kind of worried about Annabelle right now because they are very soft. I don't know if they're that soft when they're gone or if you can feel them at all. I'm gonna message a friend and see if she can explain that a little bit better, because I can feel them. They're there, but they're super, super soft. So I don't know. But I'll still keep checking on them every 3 hours. I'm staying home. Today my husband and my kids went up north, so they're gonna be out late, which means that it's just me coming back to the barn and checking on the goats at night until they come back. But you know, I think I'll be okay. I am pretty ready, I think. It would have been nice if somebody was home with me to kind of help me or pass things around or, you know, help. But if it happens tonight, then it happens tonight. And there's nothing I can do about that. But if it has to disappear, I think we're okay. I think we're still okay on the 145. At this point, I think we're going to have August babies. Or maybe not. July has 31 days. So thanks for checking in with us today, and I'll be back hopefully tomorrow with an update. Clara, you're such a weirdo. Teaching your kids to be naughty. Teaching your girls to be naughty. Hi. 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 Hi, Mama. Hi, Mocha. Hi, sweetie. Hi, jealous honey. Hi, jealous honey. I think I'm gonna watch a scary movie. Yes. I think that's what I'm doing tonight while we wait for babies. Since everyone ditched me. Oh, there is something there. No, don't bite my camera. Okay. Oh, Clara. Oh, Mama. Oh, you okay?